Welcome back, everyone. So mostly everyone likes a sweet treat. That's what's in the oven today.
That's right. Belkys is cooking up something in the kitchen. Here it is.
Hey guys, you looking for a way to perk up that morning coffee? I've got just the thing, chocolate bread. Let's do it. Really easy, really yummy. For this one, we're just gonna need a few things. Some unsweetened cocoa powder, self-rising flour, condensed milk, and a couple of eggs. We have self-rising flour in our bowl. That's what we start with. Self-rising flour, very important. All-purpose is not gonna work here, self-rising. And now I've got some unsweetened cocoa powder that I'm gonna add to this. And then a can of sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is gooey and thick and delicious. It's gonna really be what gives it our sweetness. Now, eggs go in, 3 eggs. I'm gonna blend all this up. If you don't have one of these, you can use a whisk. We're all blended up. So I've got a loaf pan here that I put parchment paper in so I could get this out easier, and I'm just gonna pour it in. And we bake this at 350. It does take at least an hour to bake. You know the drill, in the oven until you put a toothpick in or a knife and it comes out clean. Pulled it out of the oven, let it cool. I'm just gonna slice it up and serve it up. Perk up that morning coffee with a little chocolate bread. Why not? If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Neray. Bon appetito.
All right, for more information on this and other awesome recipes, check out our website. That's WSVN.com. Go ahead and click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest, all things culinary, hit Belkys' Bite blog. That's also on our website.